Yo, what's up, guys? International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. You got to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way and it is greatly appreciated. I know I haven't been doing my videos like I do. I just give you a review, give you a review, give you a review. I've been just like letting them all accumulate and then just do a unloading of shoes. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm just going to go over everything I got. This is first up, the Nike Dunk Low UCLA. There has been a lot of craziness around this shoe. Well, a lot of shoes with Nike because of the supply chain issues. This shoe came out overseas about maybe a month or two ago, and then we starting to get US release dates. I noticed that this is listed on the Nike app, I think, for October 5th. I was lucky enough to get these on Finish Line about a week ago. I hit on Finish Line. They did a release for them. I noticed Finish Line do get releases prior to Nike and other retailers. I'm starting to notice that trend. It happened a couple times before, even with the Graffiti Dunk Low, and sometimes I see it even with the Panda Dunks. They restock theirs before anyone else does. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys see this one. I love this color blocking. My only issue is that I really wish, and then I think they went up in price on Dunks. So my only thing is I really wish if they're gonna go up on a price point, I really feel like the quality needs to take a step up also as well. You get the plain stiff leather on the Dunk Lows, and it would be nice to get some type of tumble leather, like on my Nike ID, my Dunk by Use that I just got. Tumble leather, soft, beautiful materials, even had a satin swoosh. If you want, you can actually check that video. It's the last video I did. You can check that one out too, but just want better quality on these. I love this color. It would be nice to have like a better quality on the Dunk Lows that are non-SB. But yeah, here we are, Dunk Low UCLA. Next up, I got an interesting story with this shoe too. With this one, I'm just gonna put this here. With this shoe, I hit on In Clothing. I hit on In Clothing and they sent me the wrong size. So I had to send the shoe back because they sent me the wrong size. And then I was able to find this pair on Trade Block in my size and pull the trade off for these on Trade Block. You see the box, you see the shoe. This is the Jordan 1 Low OGX. If I'm not mistaken, is what they're calling these, but this is a beautiful shoe. The materials all around, man, is mesh, except for the heel tab. It has that leather on the heel tab. As you can see too, it has that deconstructed look. This is a beautiful shoe. In my honest opinion, this is a hella slept on shoe. Hella slept on shoe, and I think you're gonna regret it if you passed up on it. I'm starting to fall in love with 1 Lows, man. I know a lot of people don't like them. I'm falling in love with them. It just sits right with the jeans to me, when you have to do all the weird cuff, uncuff with the highs. I love these, man. These are a keeper. I like these shoes. Jordan 1 Low OGX. You gotta have those in your collection. If you don't, man, you're cheating yourself, if I can be honest. With this one, you see the box, so you know what it is. I don't even have to hide this one. Yes, the Jordan 1 High. This is the Taxi is what they're listed as, but these are the yellow toes is what I call them. I'm starting to see a lot of spots on them. I'm going to have to see if that comes off. I don't like that. Okay, yeah, it comes off. I don't know if that was mold or what. The little spots I'm seeing here on this mesh on the tongue, I'm hoping it's not mold. It's a lot of it. I just noticed that. I haven't even took these out the box. Yeah, I hope that's not the case. But yeah, here we are, tumbled, beautiful tumbled. Like I said, put these on Dunk Lows, non-SBs, but beautiful tumbled leather on the shoe. Of course, everybody loves the fake hype beasts and the wannabe resellers are gonna call these bricks. Who cares? If you don't like them, if they're bricks, stay away from them. More for the people that want them. That's what that is. That prime example. More for the people that want them. So when you want something, thank you. Keep calling them bricks. We appreciate it. It's greatly appreciated. Keep calling them bricks. That's more for the people that want them. Next up. This one, can't lie, it's kind of disappointed. The SB Supreme Blazer. Of course, when people saw that they were getting we were getting a Blazer, I was generally excited as well before I saw the colors, because I said, okay, well, I remember what they did with the last ones. I think these are just going to be beautiful. Don't get me wrong, the shoe is beautiful, but I really wish that it was a third color option. I wanted the shoe to just put me to a point where I felt like I had to get this one or the denim. It was kind of a lesser of two evils. I don't like the denim because it limits what you can wear with them. These you can wear a little bit more, but there's nothing spectacular about it when it comes to the color. The materials, beautiful, knocked it out the park. Leather tongue, leather inside, I mean leather all the way around, beautiful snake skin. That's not the problem. Materials, top notch. It's just the color. I wish there was a third option for another color, a non-basic color outside of a denim or a black. Maybe another red, like they did the last pair, with maybe a different material or a different type of snake skin, or maybe even a blue pair or something different. Like I said, I'm not saying that this is an ugly shoe. I just would have liked a third option or something more outside of this. This doesn't stand out to me when I think of Blazers or SBs. I don't know, it just doesn't wow me, but we'll see what it does, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. These are my pickups, my most recent pickups, so thank you all for tuning in. Remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagrams, TikTok, all my other channels, and until the next video, you guys be cool.